At Star Collision Repair, we want to make sure that new drivers are safe and prepared, so we put together a few tips that every driver should know. Keep up with your maintenance, with things like oil changes every 3,000 miles, replacing air filters, and properly maintaining your tire inflation and care. Prepare for inclement weather, such as rain, hail, or ice. Make sure that your tires are properly inflated and in good working condition. You'll also want to make sure to have an ice scraper handy when you need it, and that your windshield wipers are working properly to keep your vision clear. Be ready for an emergency. A basic first aid kit, flashlight, jumper cables, and drinking water are all good things to have on hand just in case. Don't tailgate. Be sure to follow the 3-second rule to avoid an accident, and if you're too close, increase your following distance just in case the car in front of you has to suddenly stop. Know your vehicle. Every vehicle is different, and you should take some time to familiarize yourself with some of your car's key features: VIN location, license plate number, ideal tire pressure, dashboard warning light meanings, and navigation system. We hope that these tips will help new drivers navigate the roads on their next journey. Be safe.